Question 1 of this exercise says, construct an angle of 90 degree at the initial point of a given ray and justify the construction. So let's start with the steps of construction. In the very first step, we have to draw ray PQ. So let's draw a ray that is PQ. So this is a ray that is PQ. Now in the next step, to construct 60 degree angle, draw an arc of any radius with P as the center intersecting PQ at R with R as center and same radius. Draw an arc intersecting the previous arc at S. Angle SPQ equals 60 degree. So with P as the center, we will draw an arc like this of any radius using compass that intersects PQ at R. Now we will take the center as R and using the same opening of the compass, we will draw an arc like this that intersects the previous arc and we will name it as S. So we have got angle SPQ that equals 60 degree. So this angle is 60 degree. Now in the next step, to construct adjacent 60 degree angle with S as the center and same radius as before intersecting the initial arc at T, angle TPS will be 60 degree. Now with S as the center, we will draw another arc using the same opening of the compass that intersects the initial arc and we will mark it as T. So this point of intersection between the two arcs is basically known as T. Now we have got angle TPS that is 60 degree. So this angle we have got is 60 degree. Now in the next step, to bisect angle TPS with T and S as centers and same radius as before, draw two arcs to intersect each other at U. Angle UPS equal half of angle TPS that equal 30 degree. Now we will put the compass at T and using the same opening of the compass, we will draw an arc like this. And again we will put the compass at S and using the same opening we'll draw an arc like this and we name the point of intersection as U. Then we'll draw a line joining U and P. So we have got angle UPS that is half of angle TPS which is same as 30 degree. So we have got angle UPS as 30 degrees. Now in the next step, join P and U to get an angle of 60 degree at initial point P. Angle UPQ equal angle UPS plus angle SPR that equal 30 degree plus 60 degree which equal 90 degrees. So we have got angle UPS that is 30 degree and we have got angle SPQ that is 60 degree. So we have got angle UPQ as 90 degree.
To learn more about how QMath can help you crack school and board exams, explore QMath Leap, a live online classroom program run by highly experienced and committed teachers.